Maybe everyone was right. It was social media. The more I get older, the more I know how Snapchat runs lives, relationships, and friendships. Having the perfect 8 friends where you want them to be based on experiences and how much you like them. How much an app can relate relationships because you have to remove this person or that person. Seeing their location active and them not replying, and then wondering what you have done wrong. Overthinking and posting something random on your story to see if that person is ignoring you or if they are really busy. Double snapping when they aren't replying just to get a response to and have a conversation. It hurts. Maybe it was the phones and social media.